Here's another quick tutorial on how to recover unsaved or lost Excel files. I'll walk you through 2 free and safe methods, and I've tested them many times to make sure they really work. So let's start with the fastest one first. If you forgot to save or accidentally closed an unsaved Excel file, the first thing you can try is Excel's built-in recovery feature. You can reopen that file and it'll bring up the document recovery panel on the left, and you can just go ahead. However, if that panel doesn't show up or you can't find the original file, we can just create a new Excel file and open it. Click File, then choose Options. In the new window, click Save, and we will see some options here. Normally, Excel is set to save your work every 10 minutes, but you can change this interval to a shorter time if you like. Now, if AutoRecover is turned on, we can copy this folder path, then open File Explorer and paste it into the address bar. This is where Excel stores its auto-saved files, and you may be able to recover the workbook you were editing from here. As you can see, this built-in feature is useful, but sometimes it may not work because Windows might automatically delete the auto-save files for some reason. If your file isn't there, or maybe it's corrupted, or maybe it got permanently deleted, Excel won't be able to help at that point. But no worries, it doesn't mean it's gone for good. It's just your system stops showing it. And that's when you need a professional data recovery tool. The one I'm using here is xlsx Data Recovery Wizard, which is built to handle exactly these situations. So let's just launch xlsx Data Recovery Wizard. Now, select the drive where your Excel file was stored and click Search for Lost Data. Now, while this scans, here's the interesting part. You can see files appearing in real time. And since scanning can take a bit of time, we can click Type here to narrow it down. If it's an unsaved Excel, you can find it in this Unsaved Files folder. If it was deleted, you can filter in Documents and locate Excel files here. That makes it much easier to find your lost file. Let's say your Excel file wasn't saved, and somehow both the original and the autosave files got deleted. You can still find their records in this Unsaved Files folder. And before we recover it, we can double-click to preview its contents. So the free version only lets you see part of the file, but since it gives you 2 gigabytes of free recovery, we can just recover everything first and sort them out later. Click Recover, set destination to another drive. Also, make sure to enable this option to repair the corrupted files during recovery. Click Save, and it'll then open the recovery folder automatically. Now let's take a look at these files. Some of them might be corrupted and can't be opened. But look at this. This is the file I've been looking for, and just like that, my file's back. So if you run into a more complicated case like this, it's better to use a professional tool like xlsx, and drop a comment if you got any questions.